In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Zoho WorkDrive from your Windows system, specifically for the TrueSync app. Uninstalling software may seem straightforward, but it's always helpful to ensure each step is followed carefully to prevent any issues or leftover files. First, let's begin at the Start menu on your Windows computer. You'll find this at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on it to open. Now you'll need to type Control Panel into the search bar that appears. Once you see Control Panel in your search results, go ahead and press Enter to launch it. The Control Panel is a centralized location where you can adjust your computer's settings, and it's really quite useful for tasks like program management. Once the Control Panel window opens, you'll see various settings categories displayed. Here, you'll want to head to the section labeled Programs. Clicking on Programs will reveal another option right underneath it called Programs and Features. Select that to continue. Programs and Features is essentially your computer's library of installed applications, and it's where you can manage these applications, whether you want to uninstall, change, or repair them. Now that you've accessed Programs and Features, you'll be able to see a complete list of all software installed on your computer. This is where you need to scroll through to find Zoho WorkDrive TrueSync. It's important to make sure you're selecting the correct app, so double-check the name if needed. Once you've located Zoho WorkDrive TrueSync in the list, it's time to move on to the next step. With Zoho WorkDrive TrueSync identified, right-click on it. This action will bring up a context menu, and here, you're going to select the Uninstall option. By choosing to uninstall, you're initiating the process to remove Zoho WorkDrive TrueSync from your system completely. Following the selection of Uninstall, a series of prompts or instructions will typically follow. These are guided steps provided by the Uninstallation wizard. It's very important to follow these prompts closely. They might ask for confirmations or offer options like saving settings or data, so be mindful about what each screen asks or suggests. Continue following each prompt until the process reaches its completion. The Uninstallation wizard is designed to ensure that the program is removed cleanly, so it's crucial to wait until you receive confirmation that the uninstall is finished. Once completed, Zoho WorkDrive TrueSync will no longer be present on your system. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in uninstalling Zoho WorkDrive on your Windows machine. Don't forget to subscribe for more software tips and tutorials.